Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Theta network, friends. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price of the Theta network. The price changes occur in the Theta network. And friends, I'm talking about the very biggest mistake of holders of Theta network, which are doing at this time, friends. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. This video going to be very important for all of Theta network holders. If you are a holder, keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video and also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. I request all of you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, friends. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on, friends. The current price of the Theta network is 9.7 USD dollar, friends. Absolutely, the price is going very high, but that's just the beginning. Very soon the price become 12, 13, 14 USD dollar, friends. Now I know at this time the price is going fast down, friends, but anyways, I really like this price, friends. In the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur, and the Theta network is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, friends. What's the reason behind that? Why the price of the Theta network is going down? The reason is only one, that is the, as you can see here, from the previous last 1 week, the whole price changes occur in the Theta network is in the fast, friends. So absolutely, I'm very sad to see, I'm very shocked to see this kind of fast occur in Theta network, friends. But very soon we are going to hit a 13, 14 USD dollar again, friends. And the negative 21.8% negative change occur in the Theta network in the last 1 week, and the highest price is 13.01 USD dollar, friends. They also hit a 13 USD dollar in this week, but now again at this time price of the Theta network is 9 USD dollar, plus they again trying to hit 13 USD dollar, friends. That's my prediction about the Theta network, and I'm 100% sure that they can going to hit 13 USD dollar in the last of the next week, friends. So what's your prediction about Theta network? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.